Hello everyone, this is Saksham from Eduspheria, and today we are gonna discuss about how to use fees and its accounting in this panel. In this fees section, you have to first go to the fees section. There you have got the comparative overview of the fees. You can search the fees by name, filter it by status, or also filter it by class. If you want to create fees, you can create fees. There's a three option for that. If you want to create a single fees, you have to select first class, then the student, then the category, payment mode, amount, if any discount, and the date of the fees. You can also check if the fees is recurring or you have to send the notification for the student. Similar thing you can do for the entire class. If you want to easily create the fees for entire class, you can also propagate uh, bulk discount to the each student. If you write 0 here, you will get no discount to any student. Similar thing you can do for the multiple class. This is the main form. Above from that, you can also check the analytics of the fees here. Here you get the detailed analysis of the fees. Since we don't have the data now, so you will get the detailed analysis of the fees in this panel. You can also view fee detail. Here you get the sufficient info regarding the fees. Or the overall info. You can delete it if you want to. You can print it. This printing will give you a receipt. And back to the fee list. We have two more options, and the first option is template. So what is this? It let you download a sample Excel file which you can fill and upload your fee structure directly from Excel. So you can import and export the fees directly from Excel. For export, I have given here is a route. You can select the date from here, and when you click on the export, you will get the CSV export of all the fees data of your fees for that particular time range. Similar thing for the import. If you want to import the fees, you first need to download the template, fill your data in the template, and then you can upload the fees. Okay, and when you upload the fees, let me give you demo. When you upload the fees, let's say here is you will get the error if there is any error in your data, and based on the error you need to modify your Excel sheet. Like here we got the error grade 7-A is not found. So here we don't have grade 7A here. Okay, we have grade 7C or something like that here. So these are all the related to the fee card application. You can also update the fee structure. If you want to update in bulk mode, you can update it. You can click on all the fees, select all the fees. You can update its status, pending or paid. If paid, you can also override the payment status if you want. If you don't select it, it will by default, which we filled in this form. Okay. So yeah, like this. You can also do this individually for each fees if you want. So this is the whole base card application regarding fees, export, import, creation, and analytics. Apart from that, we also support some auto generation part in the fees, which you can access it through from the classes. So if you go to the classes, in the third tab you got the fee structure, and here you can see we have fee structure for each class is defined, like their admission fee, their tuition fee, uh, their system fee, something like that. So this is completely customizable to the school to schools. uh, let's say you have a tuition fee of 5,000 for class 7 and you charge it monthly. So instead of monthly creating fees by hand manually, what we does, we create a tuition tab. Let's say I create a tuition tab here, and for class 7A, and I write uh, let's say 5,000 is my fees. And now I save the changes and it will be stored as 5,000. And I go to the setting tab. In the setting, if I enable, let's say it's currently enabled now, but it is normally by default disabled. If you enable it, enable this also. So if you enable it, what it does, at the first day of the each month, it will create all the fees, all the tuition fees for all the student of that particular class where the tuition fee is set. Okay, if this control is enabled, so by this you will get the, you will not have to create them fees manually, uh, which is mostly recurring fee. If you have like admission fee and all that, you have to create it. But in the case of recurring fee, mostly tuition fee, you don't have to create it regularly basis or monthly. It will be automatically created based on the structure. Okay, so yeah, this is the everything overview of the fees. Apart from this, we also have some auto features where you can also enable auto fine, where you can mention what is the fine amount and how many days after the fine is calculated, and how many days we need to send the reminder to the, how many days after we have to send the reminder to the parent. Okay. Similarly, we also select the money billing interval. Some, if you want to take the fee, recurring fee monthly, if you want to take the recurring fee quarterly, or if you want to take the recurring fee annually. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So this is fees, and this is fee. This is how the fee is handled in Saksham AI, and yeah, that's all.